Alright, we're back to the cool bluffs and caves in this area. Lots of caves, as we discovered earlier. Very awesome. Yeah, we're going into the wind. Which is weird because generally the wind around here blows west to east, but today it's definitely coming from the opposite direction. We got a guy coming up on our left, I think. We got a bridge too. Tight turn right here. Oh, this would be fun. Just bring a lot of people to bring bikes and go. Walnuts. Oh, those are just leaves. My bad. Hey, have a good day. I like the way the handlebars sit up on his bike. Oh, that's super nice, yeah. Wow, look at this, just all open plains. It didn't look like this when we came, because we were, I think, looking downhill. I was hoping I got my shader, or my filter set right. Wow, this wind though definitely burns the calories. Pedaling. Keeping in PA1, doing it for the lady. Doing it for my lady. I'm keeping it in PA1 for my lady. Just for you. He's like, okay, I'm trying. Whoa, trail. I need to be healthier. I got this whole trail here, and what do? I do that. I can't drive left-handed. Gosh. I'm hungry. Yeah. This pedaling back into the wind stuff is for the birds. Alright, we're going PA2. I need to rest my legs. Ah, that's much better. PA2, rest the legs. Yeah, I know, I switched. Back to PA1, good up the hill. PA1 is just so nice on the legs. The PA2 is. About this point in the ride, my butt starts feeling it. So we've got a little ways to go. Oh, we got the glade area over here. I don't think I even noticed that when we came in over there. Did you notice that? That is so cool. Trying to get it camera. More art. It's cool. Got some downhill action. We'll take it. Sure is windy. Alright, gotta find the trail up here. I hear dogs barking. Hoo-wee. Get a whiff of that suey. Go up here and the trail's on the left. More hills. Yes, more hills. It's not too bad, actually. Hey, nice shirt. Like the torn wells. Ride your bike, and someone had to put graffiti on there. It says for happiness. Walnut, walnut alert. Oh man, this is such a fun little stretch through here. Ah. Come on, gear. There we go. Can't find them, grind them. can't make up my mind. This headwind. We go back to the forest. The trail is so narrow right here. Hey. Hey, I zipped up, didn't I? Back here. I'm zipped up. I'm zipped up back there, right? Looks like I am.
Yeah.
Okay.
You asked me that now.
I know, it just dawned on me. Oh, there goes a squirrel. Man, that was a fun little ride coming down that hill.
Where does the other trail take you?
Just heads out to an elementary school. Like, it's just a continuation of the trail. I don't know much about it. That's all I know. I don't know if it's as long as this. This was longer than I expected it to be. Here, I'll get ahead of you. Sorry. But yeah, I don't know for sure. It just goes that way is all I know. Kind of like this trail. I don't know where I'm going. I didn't know this one was going to be this long. I didn't plan on going this way. This worked out really good.
It's really well marked.
Yeah, there's not a lot online about them. That's what's throwing me off. So it was good just to me, fun to just explore, find it, and see what it is. Walnut alert. To me, it's worth it just to come out and see what it is, you know? That's part of the fun too, just figuring it out. Alright. Yeah, a great one. Probably bring a picnic because it's a long one. Oh, more break time.
Today's verse is found in 2 Corinthians 4:18. While we look not at the things which are seen, but at the things which are not seen, for the things which are seen are temporal, but the things which are not seen are eternal.
And with that, we'll head back to the truck. So next time, we got to check that out. I don't know if it's going to be disappointing compared to this one though. I think so. I'd say probably. This is probably, as far as scenery, one of the best ones. One of the best ones. Check that out. Is that a cave over there? Is that cave right there? Prairie habitat restoration. Oh, that makes sense. That's the back side of the cave. Well, that is the end of our trail ride. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Give me some comments. What was your favorite part of the trail? Well, let me know in the comments. Got to do my burnout.